Hi bazala bakaMzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umgosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bakaMzitho. It's about uTirelo, ibaby baba yakaMphumelelo Mseleki, and also a girlfriend. Guys, you know one thing about the relationship kaTirelo noMphumelelo, you'll never confirm it. I think it's one-sided. uTirelo truly love uMphumelelo, but I don't think uMphumelelo love uTirelo. Oh, mhlambe yamthanda. It's just that when yabo mawukhulise yindoda engahloniphi abantu besimame, you tend to be the same as your father. Like you don't see. I mean, like probably kuso Musa Mseleki and seeing the seasons of uthando, you'll see that uMusa Mseleki uzicabangela yena one. So engathi uMphumelelo yena uba worse ngoba ushilo ukuthi ubabakhe akwazi ukuqinisa isandla. So that means and uba worse than ubabakhe, of which is wrong, guys. So bavezile ukuthi what we should expect on the season 3 of Izingane Ezithembu, of which uTirelo met ubaba we-boyfriend yakhe because akakashada mususe girlfriend and umkhulu umntana yakhe which is uSibangakho, and umkhulu bekabuza ukuthi how are you, how do you feel, ihamba kanjani indaba yene relationship, of which I feel as if ayivumelekanga. I don't know whether abobabazala or abobaba ama-boyfriend are allowed ukuthi bahlale nabo umakoti abangabalobolanga. Then uTirelo ke kulapha asho khona ukuthi akekho happy just because uMphumelelo ushade enye girlfriend, unenye girlfriend, washade enye girlfriend. uTirelo angazi uyibone efonini indaba yamalobolo. One, so uthe maka-confront uMphumelelo wathi mina anyeke ngize ngihlalele lento and anyeke mina ngize ngikhulume lento, ngiyahamba uzobona ukuthi uyiceda nobani. You know this behavior uMphumelelo akayicali manje, bekayenza the very same thing kuVuyokazi, but because bokuTirelo bekuye ophathwa kahle that time bakangayiboni into wrong, guys. But I also say on season 2 bongathi ayibona mara bakafila ngathi, you know, wena mawuphathwa kahle sometimes awuyiboni, and sometimes lo munye wakhala kubonakala ngathi ufuna attention. I guess manje uTirelo feels ipain akaVuyokazi and feel ukuthi kunjani ukuthi uvele ushaye ngesurprise izinto wena uzive ngomunye umuntu while ungazazi. You know what, uTirelo I think into ezomsiza, uTirelo is very young, guys. uTirelo is so young, angaphuma kuMphumelelo, and the good thing usesesikolweni, so angaphuma kuMphumelelo aziphilela into yakhe, impilo yakhe, enjoy her 20s, because isikhathi esiwestayo anyeke size sibuye. That is the sad part. And the into ebuhlungu uzundlula zonke ukuthi uzoba yiloyo number 4 or yiloyo number 2 ke, ngoba sekazoba number 2. Angithi number 1 bathi mele kube intombi into, uzoba number 2, kube number 3, kube number 4, mhlawumbe afike ku number 7. And uyabonakala nawe ukuthi if umuntu azohlulwa umjolo, then mase nishadile uzoniphatha kanjani? Inew love ihlanyisa ubaba uMphumelelo bakayini. So guys, I guess uTirelo umcolelile uMphumelelo and akamlahlanga uMphumelelo, because we've seen musi weekend bebaphume bonke baye ku Maskandi Festival. Is it Maskandi Festival in Durban? And they seem to be very happy. So I guess we'll get to know the new makoti if vele de lobola yaphatalwa. And I just feel as if uMusa Mseleki udlala ngala makhosi, udlala ngama girlfriend or abo baby mama baka Mphumelelo, because he was doing the very same thing kuVuyokazi nefamily yakhe abathembisa lokho. There's no way ukuthi uMphumelelo uyolobola uMusa ngazi. There is no way, guys. There is no way. And I mean, angikaze ngabona uMusa akhuza uMphumelelo serious. Hlala ngimbona nje ukuthi umkhuza just because the viewers are saying uMusa uvuna uMphumelelo, of which vele uyamvuna. Nalento uMphumelelo yenza, it seems like akayiboni into rona. Kibo vakazi bayasho into one, mina ngiyamfuna uMacibeni la, but aka-act. Ngokumanje ingane kaTirelo, we don't know whether ihlawuliwe or ayihlawulanga. Asazi ingane kaTirelo ikhishele yonke into phela. And remember, inhlawulo has nothing to do nomntana. Inhlawulo usuke uyohlawula kibo nengane oyiwonile lapho one khona ukuthi mina sengibreakisa umntaneni singashadanga. We don't know ukuthi usingabakho uyenzele yonke into. Usingabakho, is it really Mseleki or uMseleki nje just because, you know, some of the families they don't mind putting umntwana isenemi yomntwana asebenzise isenemi kababakhe while angahlawulwanga. No, uMphumelelo, guys, mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi nemali amalobolo uyithathe because uMphumelelo is not working. Uyithathe imali amalobolo, that means ubabakhe umassistile. We all know that ubabakhe umsassistile nalokho ayokhipha imali kibo the first girlfriend noMphumelelo ukuthi wathatha ubuntombi into bakhe. Still ubabakhe wam-assist and babakhe angikazi ngambona mkhuza, guys. But ke that is all for now, bazalwane bami. So please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.